Yeah, you know I did the dumb stuff, but we still got DC numbers on them though. So watch this then. So now, because this is another part because it cut off. That's from Scott Gallant, the settlement. Come back. I sent it to the district area board. See? Let that blow up. It's supposed to only been one joint, but I mean, Scott Gallant, my lawyer again. September 22nd, 2021. You see what I'm saying? Look, his second request. Told you. December the 8th. Come on. How his second request is September the 22nd, 2021. Here it is. We are in what, May 16th, 2022. Do you know what that time? Yeah, watch. If you do from September, see, it ain't in a year. September, October, November, December, January, February, March, April, May. That's only 7 months. His second request. Get the F out of here. Told y'all he ain't do his job. This way I've been showing them and keeping, see? You see that? His second request was September the 22nd, 2021. See how they cover for him? And it's May 16, 2022. So let's do it. September, October, November, December. December is 3 months, 2021. January, 4. January, February, March, April, May. Come on. 8 months later. And I just got my money from this dude. See? Oh, I gotta take the zoom out. I just got my money from this dude. 8 months later. And look, watch this. When I said 8 months later, you see September 22nd? My card asked him what was when. March 22nd. It's right there in front of you, see? You got my car accident. March 22nd, 2019. Zoom in. Told you. See? This nigga should have been fired. Look. Look. And this not even mine. This my baby's. Dumbass. See, look at my girl. There, Mr. Smallwood. Because the dumbass, this the dumb shit they do. He sent it to me, right? But he put my girl name on it. I told her to go sign the money. I said, shit, that ain't mine. Told you, dumbass. Look, please allow this letter to inform you that your case against Kimmy Rule and Rental Service has been settled in an amount of $25,000. See that? To finalize this settlement, I am enclosing a release, see, which has been provided to me by defense counsel. Now, why would that be provided to you by this defense counsel when I let defense counsel know all this crap? See, look. See? That's defense counsel. See? That's defense counsel right there. 1601 Market Street. See? February 15, 2021. 2022. Now, September 21, he said. October, November, December, January, 5 fucking months later. Come on, man, they've been playing games, dog. I'm telling you, that the defense counsel. Look at all this shit I've been writing to the defense counsel. Look. They go December the 8th, 2021, when he cussed at me. See that? Your accident on March 22nd, 2020, 2019. Told you. They go December the 8th. And you see December the 8th? I got that later on when I got home. Now, why he gonna lie like that? See? He gonna say 5th request, December the 8th, 2021. That's bullshit. After comes September, October, November, December. So 3 months later. It was the 2nd September, he gonna make the 5th. Nope. It's the day he cussed at me. So, my lawyer, Scott Gallant, he cussed on me December the 8th. Watch. And then send this letter. See, look at my file number. File number 5022. Scott Yeah, I need a lawyer for. Yeah. Oh, well, watch this then. I'm gonna show you the day he cussed. Watch this. These was other lawyers I had. I'm about to take a break. There go Morgan. That's Morgan and Morgan. No, that's Mark Conan. All right. I was just checking something out. Some of this internal affairs and a couple other lawyers and the DA. All right. I'm looking for, damn. Oh, Scott Gallant. Oh, the Attorney General. That's what I gotta look for. All right. So we're gonna get the Attorney General. See for the record. Never mind that. Look at the record. See? Told you. And what it say? Office of Attorney General. Told you. See the stuff we did? Don't worry. See, look. Indiana Customer Protection Division. Your Indiana Attorney General complaint file. See? 22CP7852. Let's write that down. Yeah. Write that down. Because it's time, y'all. I'm going to write that down. What was it? My file. So, Indiana. All right. We're going to write that down, all right? We're going to write it down. Hold on. All right. I wrote it down. The Indiana Consumer Protection Division, Indiana Attorney General complaint file number, all right? That's for Scott Gallant. So now, let's go here for a minute. All right. So, here go the PA Office of Attorney General. See that? Pennsylvania Office of Attorney General contact confirmation. Hello, thank you for contacting the office. Watch this. I'm going to push this. See Pennsylvania Office. See that? See my name, my phone number, still active. Right? You know what? Oh, yeah, God, that's good. Watch this. No phone call. Make a phone call real fast. See that? Pennsylvania Office of Attorney General Strawberry, Hasburg. Let's call him. 717. See, I like the number right there I already got. Nope, that's a different one. Let's see. That's 3391. So it's 717-787-3391. And New Hasburg right there. Make sure. Yeah. New Hasburg right there. So let's call that one though.
Office of Attorney General, Constituent Services, how can I help you?
How you doing? Scott Gallant was my lawyer, and I had wrote him up to the Attorney General office, but they told me versus Scott Gallant, but then they told me to get in contact with the Pennsylvania Office of Attorney General. So you are in Harrisburg.
We're in Harrisburg, yes, but complaints about attorneys are better directed to two other agencies, not our agency. We cannot take complaints against attorneys directly.
No, what I'm saying, I didn't find an outcome though. They didn't let me know the outcome.
So So you've already filed a complaint against your attorney?
Yeah. And it's been 3 years and 2 months and 32 days. And soon I took the money, they closed the case and never said nothing about my complaint
So,
against them.
just to provide some overall context, in Pennsylvania, complaints about attorneys are directed to an agency called the Disciplinary Board of the Pennsylvania Supreme Court.
Yeah, and that's 1601 Market Street.
So what I can do is give you the phone number for that agency. If you had a follow-up question for your complaint, it's best directed directly to that agency.
All right, I'm ready.
717-783-0990.
And this is for who?
The Disciplinary Board of the Supreme Court of Pennsylvania.
All right, thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day.
All right.
Bye-bye.
Let's see what he's talking about. Nope. They closed it. I ain't hear nothing about. Told you. I'm gonna see. Why that's ringing?
Hello, and thank you for calling the Office of Chief Disciplinary Counsel. We are currently unable to answer your call. Please leave a message after the tone, and a member of our staff will get back.
That's all. All right, got him myself. I'm gonna call him again. I'm about to see that BA Office Attorney General. Yeah, like I don't be knowing what I'm supposed to be doing. Oh man, I'm calling myself. Call this number first. All right. Yeah, I always do that. All right. So now let's get back to this real fast. So Friday, January 21, 22, to the Office Attorney General. Then we got the Indiana Journal Complaint File. So, dear Mr. McNeil, the Consumer Protection Division had reviewed your recent complaint. Attaches a form concerning how the office will proceed with your complaint. Okay, if you have any questions, please see the information on that. Yeah. All right. We're going to go into that some. Then we're going to put just one. See that? And that's a Office of Attorney General. Zoom. See the Office of Attorney General? Then you see my name. See Walter Demar McNeil versus Scott Gallant. Law, PC. See? Told you. That's a case. What they talking about? See? Me versus him. And I showed the disciplinary board and they wouldn't tell me nothing. Ain't that a case? Me versus him. Thank you for the information you recently submitted to the Consumer Protection Division. Our attorney reviewed your information for possible legal action and have determined that the following agency, has jurisdiction over and may best be able to assist you with this matter. Pennsylvania Office of the Attorney General. See that shit? Told you. And let's call that number. Told you nigga ain't lying. Fuck out of here. Them people ain't help me. Told you. 1601 Market where ACU staff at and the guards harassed me in the building. They did not help me. And I did all my steps. Told you me versus him. They knew it. Let's call that number though. It says 717-787-9707. Then he fucked me out my money. See what I'm saying? Legal action. Uh-oh.
Hello.
Thank you for calling the Pennsylvania Office of the Attorney General,
Good.
Bureau of Consumer Protection.
Good.
Please listen closely as our options have changed.
Okay, I will.
Para llamada en español, oprima el número 1.
Told you the rink is running
To
shit.
speak to an agent handling your complaint, press 2. To register on the Do Not...
Spell the last and first name, then press pound. For Q, press 7. For Z, press 9. For help, press 0.
Press 0. Fuck it. It said January
Thank you for
25.
calling the Pennsylvania Office of the
25th,
Attorney
2022.
General, Bureau of Consumer Protection.
Hello, and thank you for calling the Pennsylvania Office of Attorney General, Bureau of Consumer Protection. Please listen carefully to the following options. Para ayuda en español, por favor presione el número 1. Gracias. If you know the name of the consumer protection agent you would like to speak with, please press 2. If you would like to file a consumer complaint, please press 3. To register on Pennsylvania's Do Not Call list and for all other calls, please press 4 for the next available representative.
There you go, push 4.
Office of Attorney General, this is Maria. May I help you?
How you doing, Miss Maria?
Hi, how are you?
Not too good. On Scott Gallant, on Mr. Scott Ronald Gallant watch. I've been hurt. I got an EMG upper that never got respected. They never checked it or nothing. The EMG lower had studies and testing and treatment on it, but not the EMG upper. So it's been 3 years and 3 months and 32. 3 years and 2 months. What, March, April, May, yeah, and 32 days. But it should have been 30 days, and it shouldn't even been 3 years and 2 months. But the whole thing was, I just received $9,000 from Mr. Scott Gallant, and it should have been $18,000. But for real, the EMG never got checked, so it should have been $50,000 or more, because the EMG bottom had 5 damaged nerves, 5 bulging discs. The medical term 5 herniated discs. So it's my trapezius. And all the hospitals keep doing me dirty. Even Dr. Nelson. I found the doctor and found the lawyer. I tell everybody. I done told the news. Now I'm just sharing with you because I did my steps. And it's me versus Scott Gallant since January 25th, 2022. Now I did my steps, and down there 1601 Market, they haven't helped me. And I sent them plenty of videos. He cussed at me in August of 2021. A statue started there for me. He cussed at me December the 8th in his office with me and my fiance, Shameen Smallwood. Now see, I learned from the DA, Ms. Michelle Wolf, we have statutes. So I learned that even though he did all this stuff, he violated the rules and he broke them. Now all the other stuff as far as my case, the money, he still screwed me on that. But I did all my steps. But now I'm looking at my paper from the Attorney General office, and it say Walter Delmar McNeil, that's me, versus Scott Gallant Law PC, right? So no one ever helped me from this. So I see January 25th, 2022. That means my statute is active. Can you help me with my next step? Do I find another lawyer?
Okay, so you have a complaint against your lawyer?
Yeah, I've been made the complaint. But now I done settle out for the money after 3 years and 2 months and 32 days, and it should have been 30 days. But they violated there, and he disrespected and cussed at me in August of 2021 and December the 8th, 2020. And he trolled me for 18 months. March 22nd, 2019 was the car accident. That was with Miss Kimberly Rose. So then here go another fracture they did. So I got my paperwork right here. Oasis, they took $2,415. They shouldn't have. My fiance only got $600 for herself and $600 for me. They was only supposed to get $1,500. They did it with my lady. They got back $1,500. But with me, they got $2,415. Then they said they reduced it to $1,500. That was one infraction out the money. And then Mr. Nelson, right? I told him as my therapist, he was giving me Percocets, milligram. So he was giving me 10 milligrams, 75. And then when he found out I was hurt, I received on 3 occasions the 15 milligram Percocet 75. So here it say the occupational therapy balance was 475, reduced it to to $250. That was wrong and incorrect because my medicine alone, for me to get them out the pharmacy, I had to pay every bit about 3 or 5. And that's not even the 10 milligrams. So Mr. Scott Gallant, he never added even my medicine to the situation. But there's a lot of stuff he did, and his lawyer and his assistant, Miss Mystica, even Miss Myers, they've been playing games with me and stuff.
Okay, so the agency you need to call if you have a complaint against an attorney is the disciplinary board.
But look, I supposed to have an arbitration. So who is that? The special master. I get in front of the special master and I tell the special master I supposed to have arbitration. And then he checked. And then he said, who told you that? I said, my paperwork. Me and Shameen Smallwood. And then he said, oh, see how I know about the special master? Because I learned y'all terms and not to be so irate and belligerent, just talk your language. So I seen the special master. I should have had an arbitration. He said I had to go back with Mr. Scott Gallant. So I called the police and got 2 DC numbers on him and his assistant. She was working with Dr. Nelson about a phone. But you see, I'm not lying. I even know your terms. Arbitration, the special master. I seen him on the day I was supposed to be there, January 13th. And I got a video when they said I wasn't supposed to have one. But me and my lady had one. She settled out in 2001. See, I just got my money 3 years and 2 months and 32 days when she settled out in 2001. And you can't do that. That's favoritism. He cherry picked, and that's your legal term. So he cherry picked.
Well, what I can do, I can give you the number to the disciplinary board, and you can file a complaint with them against if you have a problem with the attorney that represented you. That's the agency you need to go to.
Well, it said legal.
Do you want me to give you the phone number?
All right, I take it, but it say that the attorney received your information for possible legal action. You know. And now since he done did all this, and another thing, on my car accident watch with Miss Kimberly Lauren Rome, you know who was on there? At the Benton Health. Why do this paperwork that I got with him, Dr. Nelson, you know where the money went, and Health Partners. Health Partner wasn't even on the watch. At the Benton Health was. And on Benton Health was Miss Kenya, Medical Excel, Dr. Tran, you know what I'm saying? Dr. Nelson, Mr. Scott. And I got terminated for no reason. Because take Jose's phone back to the job. Now, you know, that's the text I got. But Scott Gallant know about the phone. Mystica, I sent the videos. Take Dr. Nelson back the phone. And look, and ever since then, I've been on my job. And I have so many places that want to give me or tell me pain management. And when I go, nothing. Because I've been hurt ever since.
Yeah.
So.
All right, let me give you this number to call. They should be able to assist you, okay?
Yes.
Where is the attorney? Are they in Philly?
Yeah.
Philadelphia?
Yeah, Philly JFK.
Okay, so the number you're going to call is 215 560
Yes.
6296.
6296.
Okay?
And who this?
This is the disciplinary board. That's
Right.
the agency
That's
that
his
handles
district.
complaints against attorneys.
That's his district he from, right?
I'm sorry, say that again?
Is that the district he from? Because I'm from Philly and he from 1601 Market Street. That's his district.
He's in Philadelphia, so this is the office you need to call.
All right, now I had a lady
Okay.
on the job and her name was, I forgot what her name was, but she never talked to me, and Miss Robin, I think. She's a floater. Yeah, they said she always come and go, and she never talked to me. And I already settled.
Who is she? Who is she?
She down there at the 1601 Market.
Oh, okay. So she's with the attorney's office, right?
Yes,
Okay.
but I never talked to her.
Okay. Well, just call that number I gave you, and just tell them that you want to file a complaint with their office, and they'll tell you what you need to do. Okay?
So even though I already settled just a few minutes ago, like last month, I did it for my birthday, April 7th.
If you're having an issue with the attorney that represented you, this is the agency you need to contact.
All right, and I'm just trying to be clear. I did it before, during the process, and now the case over, I can do it again?
They'll be able to tell you whether or not you can do it. But that's the agency that you need to go to.
But you know I ain't lying because I called you, the Attorney General.
What's that?
I said, you know I'm not making nothing up because I just called you the Attorney General.
Yeah.
Yeah, I had called the Indiana Consumer Protection Division, wrote them.
Yeah, we don't handle these types of complaints, unfortunately. I'm sorry about that.
All right.
Okay?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you for your good
All
hospitality.
right. Have a good day.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Told you she was in a rush. I mean, Miss Kiki, AccuStaff, here we coming for them. I got the video, but I'm looking for something. That's the bar. Simon. Then she threw me off. She it's kind of like she knew what oh, let's call that number, she said. All right, we still on schedule. Let me get back to this call. I'm going to call this number 215, she said. 560-6296. Now, after this call, I'm gonna take a little break for a minute. Pause it, all right? I learned a better way to set this up for us.
Good afternoon, Office of Disciplinary Counsel.
How you doing? Are you at 1601 Market Street?
Yes.
Oh, this is the district of Scott Gallant.
I'm sorry, your name again?
Walter McNeil.
Walter McNeil.
Yes, ma'am.
How can I help you?
Well, I was trying to find out what was going on. I had made a complaint.
Okay, do you know what attorney is assisting you?
No. Well, but you like on the 33rd floor or something, right?
Yeah.
In the building at AccuStaff.
Yes.
Right. So I told them I work for AccuStaff and also the security. They let me up there where y'all at before. So I never knew what happened with Mr. Scott R. Gallant, because it's been 3 years, 2 months, and 32 days, right? And I had took my settlement. He said $18,000, but he didn't. He gave me $9,000. It should have been really 50 or more, because my EMG upper never got checked, but my EMG lower, it had studies, tests, and treatment on Dr. Gregory Nelson watch. And his assistant, Miss Mystica, she was working with the doctor, bring the phone back to Dr. Nelson and all this. They said I stole a phone and I got kicked out of therapy for no reason. And then I got chased, got assaulted, ran through a Pep Boys. Mr. Jeffrey Lee could verify it. Now I made it home and they sent this text to my girl phone. See?
Have you spoken with the attorney that's handling your case?
Well, I don't know about that. I'm trying to think of her name, but I spoke to the authorities, and I told the authorities, because my lady, she's a client too with Scott Gallant. So everybody think it's just me. She also was too. So we about to do a sweep with my lady now. Because now she on the team. So it's not just one. You got more than one now.
Okay. I'm going to transfer you over to Miss Godfrey, okay?
Yeah, see, that was my lady. I ain't talked to her yet, Miss Godfrey.
Okay.
But look, watch this. My lady was on the case, and she took her money in 2001. You know what I'm saying? She was like, baby, what you think I should do? I was like, man, I'm tired they keep doing this. And then it's her money. You know what I mean? Me up day and night, all this and that still right now, even though he got me. But the truth is this. This is my victim's impact statement, miss. And Mr. Scott Gallant has been doing me wrong, even now.
Sir?
Yes, ma'am.
I can't assist you, but I'm going to transfer you over to Miss Godfrey.
Yeah, but I don't never talk to her. But thank you, though. And your name is?
Lillian.
Who?
Lillian?
Oh, now I called Harrisburg, and they told me to call y'all. That's why they gave me this number.
Okay.
Now,
Well, she has to call you back, okay?
she never did. They said she's a floater, Miss Godfrey.
I don't know. I'm just starting. So,
Well, yeah, that's what they say. She's a floater, though.
do you want to leave a message?
No, ain't no need. She knew I am. And you see how far I did my steps.
Okay.
But my number is 2675.
You want me to take a message and give it to her? Is that what?
Yeah, yes, ma'am. That would be nice.
Okay.
Two
I'm
six
sorry. What's your number?
267
Mhm.
596
Mhm.
3492.
3492.
Yes. And can you let her know that Mr. Scott Gallant, he not only just cussed at me, but because of my symptoms, and
I can't write all that.
I'm just saying, can you tell her that I told him that bill don't match that bill? He said everybody go away hurt in life after they get their money. I told him I got $15,000. Should have been more. You know what I'm saying? 9,000.
I'm just going to state that you're having a billing conflict. Okay?
But my thing. My case is over with. So what happened to him?
Okay.
All right.
Okay?
All right. Thank you.
All right.
They don't know nothing, man. Back camera trying to they don't know nothing. So look, man, I done got jumped, got maced, all that crap. You know what I'm saying? But they in trouble though. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, occupational therapy. Look at my medicine. You know what I'm saying? He's in my occupational therapy. They didn't count my medicine. I'm just jumping in and freaking it. And this Mercy right here though. Look, I even showed the hospital with Mercy. Don't worry. See, look, there you go. Here's my medicine. Told you, naproxen from Dr. Nelson. Told you. I'm about to take a break, though, because I'm hungry. Got some product I sell over there. See? I gotta keep some for my clothes, but I need to eat. So. I mean, you know, the videos just come as they can. They get better and better, though. I mean, I wasn't even on this type of time, but hey. Matter of fact, since we doing it like that, right, and I know this shit gonna run out, I will put this on the table. Yeah, just watch the Henny for a minute. I wasn't gonna do this like this. I supposed to went to Malcolm X, Dr. J, you know what I mean? Showed y'all the other world, because I got you on my phone. Move the Henny out the way. Plus, tomorrow, I'm going to get my baby. Lord's willing. Inshallah. You know what I mean? Somebody will get my girl that car. Ain't the one she's supposed to get. Thanks to these motherfuckers. Keep fucking with my money, dog. We born to be rich. Back camera. Don't worry about it. I'm going to the front camera now, alright? Front camera. Do my medication. And don't forget, this Mercy Fitzgerald, or Fitzgerald Mercy. Yeah, on 54th and Cedar. And this 2001. Yup. I got assaulted by Cadobos and came here to see them. And they treated me fucking dirty. So they still on the list too. And they just changed the pen and they fucked me up. They all on the list. So Miss D.A. Wolf, this, all of them. And then you say I got a statue. I went Dr. Nelson locked up. I'm serious. See? Look at my 15s and look at my 10s. Because that circle right there, that's the 15s. That's the 10s. Now how I get, see? I had 10 milligram Percocet, 75. And when he found out I was hurt, I went straight to 15 milligram. Yep, 75. You can't go from 75 10s straight to 75 15. Unless what? Something wrong with you. You can't go straight from 10 milligrams 75 straight to 15 milligrams 75. And if you can, something wrong with you. See, Scott Gallant, that's money right there, he ain't count. And I tell y'all, that's money right there, he ain't count. That's 10 milligram Percocets. I was getting them for months. And then I went to 15, only got them 3 times. But the 10s will be much more money. And even though I got them 3 times that's money, but them 10s, yeah, much supply. Shit full of them. Right. See that? Told you. And you know what they did? See? They jewed it down. But really they didn't. That's where Nelson came, 15,000 came in at. See? And then they reduced it to 3,000. And then his therapy, right? You see the therapy, the occupation, right? The stems I had, cleaning that, see? They reduced it to 2,500. That's bullshit. That's the cover up. $250 right there. That's more. This shit was about, what's this? This 10 milligrams, so this 75. It was about every bit about $300. No, look at that shit. Because when I went to the white people, before I got the 15s, I paid like $325, $375 just for one of them out the pharmacy. Then that's another thing. I'm supposed to went to all the pharmacies and grab my receipts. Told you, more money. And then here go the 15 milligram Percocet from Dr. Nelson. Guess how much they cost? Right, I'm gonna let you think. If y'all want to believe, $250. Fuck out of here. Ah, shit. They go 9,000 right here. Fuck they talking about. And that's all he got from that shit. Let y'all believe it. They go the rest of my fucking money right there. Nelson only supposed to ain't get that much. He supposed to got more than this and that. But what they did, took out the 9,000 out the 9. Well, really 18, because he said 18. If he tried his shit, he gonna say there. But really, it's supposed to be out the whole 25,000. See? See? Gross award, 25,000. See how we got dumbass? Yeah, come out the Zoom. That's the gross award. You know what I mean? So this motherfucker just robbed me out of fucking 18,000. It wasn't even that. He robbed me out of 50 fucking thousand. And more. Told you. See? This what I should have had. 50,000. See? Or more. So you see how we freak this paper? Because we know the truth. See, I should have 50 or more. Now, watch this. Since he ain't want to earn it, that the EMG upper was hurt, I did this then. I told him this. I told him this. See? It should have been 50,000 or more because the EMG upper, right? The other 25 for the EMG lower. See? So this 25 is for the lower. See how more life this shit come? EMG? That's what I was waiting for. I've been through this shit before where, not just Rare Spears and Spears. Alan Rottenberg. Told you we sued 7-Eleven 15,000. I was waiting for this shit to come. This lawsuit all right here. Fuck you talking about? See, the EMG lower, 25,000, right? And I should have 50 or more for the EMG upper. But I told him since he want to offer me 25 for this, and he been fucking my baby around, give me 30,000. See, that's how that went. But no one never checked the EMG top. So now since they ain't checked the EMG top, and from 25,000. He promised, and his word was 18,000 I would see. See? I got the video. So what I did was 4 days. See? I told him give me 2 days. 4 days I came back. I came back 4 days. So yeah, motherfucker. Yep, April 7, 2022. Because my birthday was April 6th. See that? Dumbass. So that's the format. I should have 50,000 or more. The EMG lower was $25,000. That really was true. So I should have $25,000 for the upper. But there weren't no studies or nothing on it. See, and then Dr. Nelson, I was going to therapy. They gave him $15,345. Reduced it to $3,000. That was bullshit, though. That was the rest of my money. And Dr. Nelson should have more. And then you see that? The occupational therapy balance, $407. That was bullshit. $250. Oh, here go my medication I just showed y'all. See? That alone was a bill. That was a bill. That's 10 milligrams, 75 Percocets, and here go 15 milligrams, 75 Percocets. Watch this. This Mercy Fitzgerald. Around the time I got sold at Cadoba, I got December for that. For both of them. So, just watch. Speed you up a little bit. See? I'm in the inside of Mercy. Before it was Penn. They gave me smoke then. And it's December 17th. I seen the paperwork. But it's 2021 though. They got the record before they changed the pen. Then when they changed the pen, it got mixed in my eyes. 54th and Cedar. This Fitzgerald. 54th and Cedar. They changed the pen. So this proof that I was here. Alright. I got the real proof, but I ain't put it together. But while we doing this, here go the proof. Alright. Go to the next one. Yeah. So it added up about 2 years. So for 2 years, because of the brothers, there they go. I'm trying to get it to stay still. Then I have to line this up, if I can. All right. I have to focus with this. Watch this. That's my naproxen. The other one was my Percocets. Don't worry. Yeah, see? August 10th, 2020. I know you can't see yet. Trust me, I learned from Hopewell. They know how to make the light do that. See that? Nelson. August 10th, 20. See how it ain't over yet? We still got them. This was part of my civil. And won't nobody take it. See, I got 5 months on the civil. Because you see, my statute's still good, like Michelle Wolf said. August 10th, 20. Right. That's 2020. So Dr. Gregory Nelson had me go to, told you, Miss Holton on 13th with Wagner. That's when I got my medicine. And that's when she did the EMG bottom and found out I was hurt. And then 8/17/2020. And also Dr. Selskin had a prescription Dr. Nelson gave me, but instead of going there, I'd already told y'all the steps we did. And Baby and Nelson and Veronica, Nelson was with me and Baby, or died.